How to farm battle point faster in Mobile Legends? Here's how. First, one of the easiest way is by using the double BP card. To do this, open your inventory and search for double BP card. Once you find it, tap use and select the number of the card you want to activate and confirm by pressing OK. However, keep in mind, this is only valid for 1 day after activation. Now every match you play will reward you with double battle points. Another method is by exchanging the trial card. Go back to your inventory and click on the trial card. Likewise, simply select the card you want to use and click on use and confirm your action by tapping OK. This is a simple way to convert unused trial card into extra battle point. Finally, you can try the lucky spin. Open the shop and click on draw. Finally, go to lucky spin. Now you can try the lucky spin. Here every spin requires 20 tickets, so make sure you have enough tickets. And there you go. I hope this video helped.